everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and because we've had some pretty good luck on nickel boxes lately, and because I'm still trying to assemble my early Jefferson and my Buffalo set, as well as find my first V-nickel, we're going to be hunting some nickels today. I went ahead and picked this up at a Chase Bank, the one that I had the best box ever at, and that was just a few hunts ago. I went back, it's only been a couple of days. I was nervous about going back in because I had tried to space the bank visits out, but I asked for a nickel box. They had no problem grabbing me one. It was somebody else who was working the front. Didn't see me the last time I was in. Grabbed me a box. Here we go. I opened it in the car to make sure it was circulated, and it is. So we're off to a good start. We've got a box to hunt from a bank that was great last time. Doesn't mean it's going to be great this time, but you know what? It gives me optimism, and it's going to be a fun hunt no matter what. All right, let's kick it off. We're on roll number 5, and I found the infamous 1939 nickel that I'm still looking for the Denver Mint from. Will this be the 39D? Oh, man. It is not. I had to take a closer look because I just wanted to make sure that wasn't a mint mark there. 39P, but that's the first find of the box, and I'll take a 1939 Jefferson nickel as the first find of the box. Let's find some more goodies. Roll number 17, got our first 40s nickel of the box. A 1947 Philadelphia. Goes along with that 39P. 4 already of the 50s and a 2009. Roll 26, guys. Got another 40s nickel here. 1946. Oh, really? 1946 Philadelphia. Only the second 40s of the box. So we've got a nice amount of 50s going on with 6 already. Kind of a light box so far on good finds. But you know what? My boxes either are hot in the beginning and cool down or are really cold in the beginning and heat up. So never know. Let's find some more. We're on roll 38, guys. And we did it. We freaking did it. Unbelievable. Probably 100 plus boxes of nickels, maybe 125-ish, somewhere in that ballpark. And we get our first V-nickel, and this is exactly how I see it. I thought when I haven't seen a V-nickel in so long in circulation that I really, when I slid down this coin, I thought it was a Canadian or some other foreign coin, and I just so happened to see the stars in the face, and I thought, holy cow. I have found my first V-nickel ever. Unbelievable. My first V-nickel ever. It's worn pretty good, and it's a 1902, pretty common. But I have found one. Wow. I never thought I would find one of these in circulation. I was giving up on them. I mean, I'm happy with Buffaloes and War Nickels and you name it, but a V-nickel, really? And we still got 12 rolls left. I had just pulled a 51 Philadelphia out of this roll and thought, that's a pretty good find. I'll take a 51 Philadelphia. About 30 million minted. And then boom. We did it. Let me finish this hunt while I bask in the glory of accomplishing something I've been wanting to do. Anyone who's followed my channel for any length of time knows this has been a mission. It's like with anything, though. You get your first, now you want more. All right, we'll stop being greedy. That's awesome. Let's get back to the hunt. Holy cow. Last roll of the box, and we get our third 40s coin, and it's a 47 Denver. While I got you here, just make sure there's nothing else worth mentioning. And there's not. So here's the wrap-up. We pulled out this pretty nice 1965, a couple of 2009 because they're low mint. Look at how many 50s coins there are. 17. And anywhere from 51 to 59, so not too bad. Still not the 50D, though. We got 3 from the 40s. 46 and 2 47s. A 39P, I'll take it. Probably my lowest ever 40s coins in a box. And typically with these finds, I probably would not even have posted this video because there just wasn't enough value in the box. But there's no way I can't share with you guys my first ever V-nickel. And you know what? It's not in terrible shape. It's got a nice, legible date. Does have the outline of the Liberty head. It does have some detail in the back. It's not completely worn away. It's not crusty or anything. I'll take it. It's a good find. 1902. First V-nickel ever. Bam. On the board. Check that off the box of things we wanted to find. That makes me happy. Whew. At the end of the day, guys, I hope you enjoyed this hunt as much as I did. I'll tell you, despite not getting a lot of 40s value, or no buffaloes and no silver nickels, pulling that many 50s out is always fun. I got to check the back for some repunch mint marks and things like that. None of that was in here, but still a fun hunt. At the end of the day, if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Matter of fact, please give me a thumbs up for my first V-nickel coin roll hunting. And as always, everyone, thanks for watching.